The moment you enter this amazing North Naperville two-story, you will feel right at home. The open floor plan boasts an updated kitchen with maple cabinets, granite counters, travertine tile, stainless steel appliances, island with beverage cooler, recessed lighting and pantry. Kitchen overlooks the large warm family room that offers a brick wood-burning fireplace. Spacious formal living and dining rooms. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout the entire home. Freshly painted with today's modern colors and white trim. Expansive owner's suite features fireplace, sitting area, tons of closet space and remodeled luxury bath. Upper level includes 3 additional large bedrooms with double closets. Full finished basement complete with rec room, entertainment area, 5th bedroom and spacious utility room. Backyard paradise boasts a spectacular 2-tiered deck, beautiful landscaping and plenty of privacy. Walking distance to District 203 schools, downtown Naperville, shopping, Nike and Arrowhead Parks, Saybrook Pool, and Herrick Lake.The the perfect place to raise a family. Meticulously maintained by owner. Nothing to do but move in and enjoy.